Hello, this is Lexac Alarms, and I have an update for my panel. So I actually got the relay board right here. This can support up to like 120 volts AC. There's the buzzer. I'm not gonna plug it in right now because it's loud when it's hooked up to 12 volts, which it can now be instead of the 5 volts that the Arduino put out. Uh, I fixed walk test. I removed code 44 from the panel and implemented the ability to turn off the buzzer, and the thing that's replacing code 44 is continuous. So right now it's on March time, so I also changed the tone of the buzzer, so let's silence that. And I actually implemented a feature now, so you can't actually reset the panel if it detects that an alarm is tripped. So I'm actually going to reset it again. I also now have a trouble indicator, so if this gets like removed, it detects that, it turns off the ready light, and it turns on the orange light, and even if you clear the trouble, the light will still light up and it won't be ready. So the alarm will still go off though. So I'm going to turn off the buzzer and I'm going to reset the panel. So now there is no buzzer, but it does not disable the buzzer for resetting the panel. So if you reset it, the buzzer will play. And I'm going to adjust these dip switches to make it so I can do continuous, to show you guys continuous. I'm getting the enclosure soon so I can finish up this thing. So yeah, so that just triggers the relay on permanently. So that allows you to code your own, like if a fire alarm has a coding system built in, then you can just use that. I'll demonstrate walk test real quick. So if you hold down one of these buttons, this will turn off, signaling that walk test is on. And if you flip a device, it triggers the relay briefly. I don't have zones programmed into this yet, so it just triggers the alarm. Uh-oh. VG12 is coming apart. Okay, there we go. Okay, now I'm going to reset it and I'm going to demonstrate silent walk test. So you hold down the reset, and then it switches to yellow, showing that's a silent walk test. And basically what this does is it acts like a normal walk test, but it doesn't actually trip the alarm. So when you flip it, it just lights up the alarm LED showing that it's been recognized, and then you just click the reset button. You don't have to have the key inserted for this, and then it makes the light go away. So that's for testing when people are home. And then when you plug it in and click reset, then it fully resets. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the updated panel. Bye bye.